Today, I'll be showcasing the drill down function of our do-it-yourself reporting. For our example, I'm going to create a summary bar chart to highlight this feature. To get started, let's choose Smarter Balanced for our test to keep it brief. Next, we'll click Achievement followed by Subject Results in our Summary Report toolbox. Then, scroll down to choose Performance Levels in the form of a stacked bar chart. And scroll down again so we can choose Smarter Balanced Achievement Levels. I'll choose Grades for our primary item so we can compare how different grades are performing. And change the selected subject to Math instead of ELA Literacy. Now I'll select the 3 most recent years for our time frame. Finally, I'll choose Madison Middle and select all of the grades available. We now have a summary report that shows Smarter Balanced achievement levels compared across all grades at Madison Middle for the past 3 years. If we hover the cursor over a segment of the bar, we'll get a pop-up that gives us some details for that segment, as well as an offer to right-click and see a list of the students. After right-clicking, we can choose to have the list sorted alphabetically or by order of achievement level. We are now met with a list of all the students who compose that segment of the bar, sorted with the lowest achievement level at the top. If we see a student we're curious of, say Tony Adams, we can click his name to see more about him. This will take us to the student dashboard, providing a variety of information for Tony, including his student score reports. His SSR will show us all of his scores on various assessments, both current and historical. We'd love to talk and show you how we can save you bundles of time and money. To get more information, scan the QR codes here or contact us via our website, email, or telephone. Thanks for watching.